the red bird carving.
The air grows cold and thin. Where do we begin?
At number 5, we've got the Spider-Man watermelon.
Secrets buried deep. The world holds its breath. Whispering of death, a silent chill dread
This reminds me of Red Skull.
in every word unsaid.
This haunting mystery.
Venom watermelon.
A hidden dark design, crossing every line. The fear begins to rise. Reflected in your eyes. The
Those
truth
teeth
is
look
drawing
way too real.
near, confronting every fear.
A puzzle piece by piece. Searching
This dragon carving, the detail is insane.
corners found. Silence all around. Each clue a heavy stone. We were not truly alone.